Hey UPSC aspirants, don't skip this PIB update. And today we will be dealing with Nippon, World Water Week, Prahati, and INS Ajit. Here are the key facts that are exam ready and you need to know and you cannot afford to skip. Designed and built by Shipyard Limited in Vishakhapatnam, the vessel is designed for deep sea diving, underwater intervention, and other complex underwater operations. Thus, its induction will further boost India's underwater capabilities and strengthen self reliance in shipbuilding, especially with defense. India participated in World Water Week 2026 in Stockholm, Sweden, highlighting its approach to community led water security and rural development. India showcased its Water Vision 2047, which aims to ensure resilient, inclusive, and sustainable water security for all. The country highlighted key initiatives including Jal Jeevan Mission and National Initiative for Water Security. The National Initiative for Water Security uses groundwater data scientific planning to focus investments on water conservation, groundwater recharge, and water harvesting. Here, India also showcased GIS, remote sensing, and digital platforms such as Yugdhara and eJal for data driven water planning. Government emphasized the role of Gram Panchayats and local communities in planning, implementing, and maintaining water infrastructure. India also participated in the discussions on financing water resilience and sustainable development ahead of the UN 2026 World Conference. Overall, the Indian participation highlighted a simple message: water security is essential for rural prosperity, climate resilience, and sustainable development. Let's have a tidbit on World Water Week. It is organized annually by Stockholm International Water Institute. It is a leading global platform for dialogue, collaboration, and innovation in water. It brings together governments, development partners, researchers, practitioners, and other stakeholders from around the world to advance knowledge, partnership, and solutions for addressing global water challenges. Moving on to Pragati. 53rd meeting of Pragati was chaired by Prime Minister at Seva Tirth. Six major infrastructure projects across railways, roads and power sectors were reviewed, covering 9 states with a combined investment of more than 30,000 crore rupees. He also had a special mention for AgriStack for using latest digital technologies including artificial intelligence to make use of better agricultural data. Goa Shipyard Limited has handed over ICGS Ajit, a state-of-art fast patrol vessel, to the Indian Coast Guard. Built with more than 65% indigenous content, ICGS Ajit is another boost to India's defense shipbuilding capabilities. It is powered by twin marine diesel engines with controllable pitch propellers, a first of its kind feature in this class of fast patrol vessels. The vessel will undertake coastal patrols, EEZ zone surveillance, anti smuggling, anti piracy operations, along with the search and rescue missions. The induction of ICGS Ajit will strengthen India's coastal and offshore security and further advance the country's journey towards self reliance in defense shipbuilding. With this, we are closing for today. Stay updated and stay exam ready with Exemplify. Follow for more daily UPSC related current affairs. Thank you. Bye bye.